Hello travelers! Today we are talking to you about the tourist places in Colombo and their importance. Colombo, the capital city of Sri Lanka, is a vibrant and culturally rich destination with several tourist attractions. Here are some of the notable tourist places in Colombo and their importance. 1. Galle Face Green. Located along the coast, Galle Face Green is a popular urban park in Colombo. It offers a breathtaking view of the Indian Ocean and is a great spot for strolling, flying kites, and enjoying the sunset. It's a favorite gathering place for locals and tourists alike. 2. Gangaramaya Temple. This Buddhist temple is an architectural marvel and a significant religious site in Colombo. It houses a vast collection of artifacts and statues, and the complex includes a library, museum, and educational institutes. The annual Nawam Perahera procession, held here, is a grand cultural event. 3. National Museum of Colombo. As the largest museum in Sri Lanka, the National Museum showcases a vast collection of artifacts that reflect the country's history, culture, and art. Visitors can explore ancient artifacts, royal regalia, traditional crafts, and a gallery dedicated to the island's natural heritage. 4. Memorial Hall. Built to commemorate Sri Lanka's independence from British colonial rule, this iconic landmark is a symbol of national pride. The impressive architecture, manicured gardens, and museum inside make it a notable attraction. It's also a venue for cultural events and exhibitions. Old Parliament Building. Situated near the Colombo harbour, the Old Parliament Building is an elegant colonial-era structure with neo-Baroque influences. Although it no longer serves as the Parliament, it stands as a historical and architectural landmark, often visited for its grandeur and Vihara Park. This sprawling public park, formerly known as Victoria Park, is a peaceful oasis in the heart of Colombo. Named after Queen Vihara Mahadevi, it offers lush greenery, walking paths, fountains, and a children's play area. It's a popular spot for relaxation and leisurely walks. 7. Pettah Market. A bustling commercial area, Pettah is a vibrant and colourful market known for its lively atmosphere and diverse range of goods. Visitors can explore the narrow streets lined with shops selling textiles, spices, jewelry, electronics, and much more. It's a great place to experience the local shopping culture. These are just a few highlights among the many tourist places in Colombo. The city also offers a variety of culinary experiences, shopping malls, waterfront promenades, and vibrant nightlife, making it a fascinating destination for travelers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.